Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on iMessage on iPhone. By default, your iMessage is not going to be turned on, so you can still use SMS, but if you want to start using iMessage, you need to turn it on. So for none of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on iMessage on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down and click on messages. On our setting, scroll down, click on apps, and then scroll down to click on the messages app. So just scroll down, locate and click on messages. Once you selected messages, then here my iMessage is turned on. If your iMessage is not turned on and you have the iMessage just like this, you need to go ahead and toggle this on. Once you toggle this on, you should say waiting for activation. You can either close the settings page or hit the power button once and then click on the messages again. Then you should see iMessage uses wireless data to send messages between Apple devices, and then you're good. Once you have the send and receive addresses here, then your iMessage is turned on. Now, if you go ahead and open the messages app on your iPhone, select the message icon and then search for iPhone user, then you should see iMessage here instead of messages. So that's exactly how to turn on iMessage on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.